When people think of Italy, they often picture ancient ruins, Renaissance art, and mouth-watering cuisine. But beyond its cities and history lies another Italy, one carved by nature itself. From glowing sea caves to towering rock formations, volcanic landscapes to secret gardens, Italy is home to some of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world. Today, we're counting down the top 10 wonders of Italy that take your breath away. Incredible landscapes that blend beauty, history, and pure awe. Let's begin. Rising dramatically from the Mediterranean Sea, Scala dei Turchi, or Stair of the Turks, is one of Sicily's most iconic sights. Its smooth, white limestone terraces resemble a giant staircase sculpted by wind and waves, almost like icing dripping down a cake. Once used as a refuge by pirates, today it's a symbol of Sicily's raw coastal beauty. While access to the cliff itself is restricted, a private boat tour offers the most unforgettable view. Insider tip: the best way to experience Scala dei Turchi is from the water, especially at sunset. Often called one of the most beautiful natural swimming pools in the world, the Grotta della Poesia is a magical sinkhole filled with seawater. Surrounded by limestone cliffs and legends of poets inspired by its beauty, this spot feels almost mythical. The water is impossibly clear, making it perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Insider tip: visit early in the morning to beat the crowds and explore the nearby ruins of Roccavecchia for a dose of history. Hidden near Lake Iseo, the pyramids of Zone are towering rock formations known as hoodoos, shaped naturally over thousands of years. Some rise up to 30 meters high, creating an almost alien landscape in northern Italy. Scenic hiking trails wind through the area, offering incredible viewpoints and easy access for visitors of all fitness levels. Insider tip: combine your visit with a stop at Lake Iseo or the medieval city of Bergamo nearby. Discovered only in 1971, the Frasassi Caves are among Europe's most impressive cave systems. Inside, massive chambers soar over 200 meters high, filled with dramatic stalactites and stalagmites that feel straight out of a fantasy world. A guided tour takes you deep underground into one of Italy's most astonishing hidden wonders. The caves stay cool year-round, so bring a light jacket. And remember, no flash photography. Tuscany isn't just rolling hills and vineyards. It's also home to the enchanting Terme di Saturnia. Here, warm, sulfur-rich waters cascade down natural limestone pools, creating a dreamy spa experience in the open air. It's one of Italy's most relaxing natural wonders and a must-see for anyone visiting Tuscany. Insider tip: for a free alternative, visit Cascate del Mulino early morning or late evening for fewer crowds. Few natural landmarks are as famous as Mount Vesuvius. This iconic volcano reshaped history when it erupted in 79 AD, burying Pompeii and Herculaneum beneath ash. Today, visitors can hike up to the crater and gaze into one of the world's most legendary volcanoes, with sweeping views of the Bay of Naples. Insider tip: take the shuttle partway up to save energy for exploring the crater trail. Located near Lampedusa, Isola dei Conigli, or Rabbit Island, boasts one of the most beautiful beaches in Europe. Its turquoise waters, untouched sands, and protected ecosystem make it a paradise for nature lovers. It's also an important nesting site for sea turtles, adding to its ecological significance. Insider tip: access is limited. Follow local rules, and remember the beach is only open during daytime and nesting season. The Blue Grotto, or Grotta Azzurra, is pure magic. Sunlight enters the sea cave through a hidden underwater opening, illuminating the water in a surreal electric blue glow. Visitors enter on small boats, ducking beneath a low rock arch to witness one of Italy's most mesmerizing sights. Insider tip: plan your visit when the tide is low. Entry depends entirely on sea conditions. Built atop the ruins of a medieval town, the Garden of Ninfa is one of the most romantic places in Italy. With flowing streams, blooming flowers, and crumbling stone walls, it feels like a living fairy tale. So inspiring, it captivated writers like Virginia Woolf and Truman Capote. Insider tip: the garden is only open a few days a year. April and May are the best times to visit. Our final stop is Isola Bella, a jewel floating on Lake Maggiore. This small island is famous for its lavish Baroque palace and perfectly terraced gardens that blend architecture and nature seamlessly. Centuries in the making, it's a masterpiece of design, history, and natural beauty. Insider tip: check seasonal opening times before visiting to make the most of your trip. Italy's wonders go far beyond its cities and monuments. From volcanic craters to secret gardens and glowing caves, these landscapes tell stories shaped by time, nature, and history. Which of these Italian wonders would you love to visit first? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through Italy's natural beauty, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.